So on this video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix any problem you have on your TikTok. First thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps, click on TikTok and then force stop the app. After that, go to the permissions, make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back, click on data usage, make sure to enable all the data usage options. Go back and then click on the storage and then click on clear data and clear cache. Go back again and this time go to the settings, click on wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it, and then go back to the home page, open the Play Store, and if you have iPhone you can open the App Store, search for TikTok and update it. And that's it. Now all what you wanna do is restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial.